When you think about a wheel, you wouldn't think that it could be improved on. Well, experts from NASA have proved us all wrong again. On the screen you're looking at a wheel called memory alloy tires. These wheels are made from nickel titanium alloy. It has shape memory and can withstand plastic deformation for up to 10% of its volume. I'm sure you're all wondering what it can actually do. Well, the tire is extremely strong and can endure a lot of mechanical damage, stopping punctures or cuts, which is very handy whilst on another planet. Due to the tire being flexible, it makes it a lot easier to climb over rocks and other tough terrain. The off-road ability is not affected as it still has a large contact area, making it the perfect wheel for exploring foreign planets. NASA may well start to use these wheels on all their vehicles and robots that go to space. When we all think of robots, we tend to think they will look and move just like us, which most robots don't. NASA, however, have made a humanoid called Valkyrie. This robot has been designed to look and move just like a human, meaning it should be able to carry out tasks just like us. The robot is about 6 feet tall and weighs around 290 pounds. Valkyrie was originally built in 2013 for the Space Robotics Challenge, but has since had some electrical mechanical upgrades, allowing the robot to perform more complex tasks. Although it doesn't seem possible, experts worked around the clock and built this robot in 9 months. NASA hopes to send the robot into space to go to the moon and to Mars in the future. Valkyrie uses state-of-the-art complex sensors to be able to move like humans. Now that NASA has a robot that looks and moves just like us, maybe one day in the future we'll be able to buy one. This is the largest, most complex and challenging space telescope ever built. It's been said that it will change our understanding of the universe. This is James Webb Space Telescope. Although the telescope doesn't look how you would imagine, it's equipped with the largest primary mirror to ever go into space. At 6 meters, it's almost 6 times the size of the Hubble telescope mirror. The infrared cameras can still work at extreme cold conditions, even in conditions colder than the surface of Pluto. The James Webb Telescope will carry advanced technology that will help us tackle some of the most fundamental questions about the universe. This telescope can see images up to 1.5 million kilometers away, making it the most powerful telescope to go into space. I'm sure you're wondering how they will get the telescope into space. The experts who designed the telescope have designed it in such a way that it can fold up to fit into a space shuttle. Once in space, controls on Earth will unfold the telescope. However, because this is such an intricate procedure, it will take up to 3 weeks to fully unfold. Once unfolded, this new telescope will be good to start work. The very odd-looking robot is being researched by engineers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Its name is Shapeshifter and is made up of a team of small robots called cobots. These cobots will combine and morph to enable different types of transport. This allows the robot to fly, tumble over sandy terrain, cruise through caves, float on water, but also be able to swim in the water. Shapeshifter is being researched so that hopefully one day it will be able to explore landscapes on faraway worlds. Although what you see on the screen is still a working project, NASA imagines it will consist of 12 robots to become the ultimate exploring machine. One mission that the Shapeshifter has been rumored to go on is to Saturn's moons. Once there, it will explore and send data and information back to NASA to help scientists understand more about what is out there. This futuristic car that you see on the screen is the latest Mars Rover concept. NASA and the Mars Rover team came up with this alien-type design in just 5 months. Absolutely everything was made specially for this vehicle, not one item was ordered already made. When designing the car, NASA spoke to scientists so that it can be designed in the most productive way possible. Although this car can seat 4 astronauts, it's not only for driving around on Mars. In the back, it has a lab so that scientists can conduct experiments whilst on site. The 6 wheels that come on this vehicle have been designed in such a way that they can climb over rocks but not sink in the sand or get clogged up. The strangest thing about this car is that it will not actually go to Mars. Yes, you heard that right. The vehicle is not going to Mars. Instead, it's at the Kennedy Space Center to help educate people about the Red Planet. This strange looking cube that you see on the screen is a self-contained free-flying robot that flies around the station alongside astronauts. Strobe II will help scientists and engineers test technology for use at zero gravity. This floating robot will help astronauts with their chores, also that they have more time to work on what they're really there for. I'm sure some of you are wondering how this robot works. Well, it's powered by fans and vision-based navigation. The robot also gives NASA an extra way to have eyes and ears on the stage station from planet Earth. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest gadgets and inventions. See you in the next video.